Hi friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Friends, in this video I'll show you how you can install Windows 11 on your desktop or laptop. Hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start the video. Friends, before you start installing Windows 11, you need to know the Windows 11 system requirements. Here you can see the Windows 11 system requirements. Now you need to boot a pendrive with Windows 11 files. Guys, if you don't know how to boot a pendrive with Windows 11, then I have a video on this topic. You'll find that video link in this video description. So after booting your pendrive, plugging the pendrive at the PC USB, then turn on your PC or restart your PC. After that, go to your PC BIOS menu with the BIOS key and then go to your boot menu, or guys, you can directly go to your boot menu. At the boot menu section, you'll see your pendrive name. Now select your pendrive and press enter. Now from here you can change language, time and keyboard and click on next. Now click on install. Okay, setup is starting. Now guys, if you have a product key, then submit here and click next, or click on I don't have a product key. Now select your operating system edition. I like Windows 11 Pro and then next. Now accept the terms and condition and click on next. Here click on this section, customized, install Windows only, advanced. Now here you will see your all hard drive and their partitions. From here you can select a partition to install Windows 11. If you like to replace your previous Windows with the Windows 11, then just select your previous Windows C drive and click on format and then click on next. Okay, finally installing Windows 11. It will take some time to copy the Windows files. It will depend on your PC hardware configuration and your pendrive data transfer speed. Okay, Windows install is finished. Now computer will restart automatically, or click on the restart now. Guys, now unplug your pendrive, otherwise your computer will start installing Windows again. Now your computer will restart automatically several times. Don't worry, this is the part of the installing process. Okay, now select your country from here and click on yes. From here select your keyboard layout and click on yes. You can add a second keyboard layout from here or click on skip. Now from here you can connect your PC with the internet and click on next, or you can click on I do not have internet. Friends, I recommend you click on the I do not have internet, because if you connected your PC with the internet and click on next, then you need to log into your Hotmail account, OneDrive account and set up more things. Guys, if you want them, then you can do this, but if you want to skip this online setup process, then click on I don't have internet. Guys, if you cannot find this option, I don't have internet option, then you can easily enable this option. I have another video on this topic. You'll find that video link in this video description. So now I'm going to click on I don't have internet. Now write a username here and click on next. Now type a password and click on next. Again type the password and click on next. Now select any 3 questions from here and write your answer, so that you can easily recover your password with these answers. From here you can change your privacy settings and then click on next. Okay, we are almost done. Now Windows will take a few minutes to prepare the desktop and everything. Okay, here we go. Now here you can see the Windows 11 graphics, icon, start menu, everything changed and updated. So friends, in this way you can install Windows 11 on your PC with your pendrive. I hope you can do this now. Besides this, I hope you like this video and subscribe this channel. If you have any question or suggestion, then please comment below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.